workplace. Safety meetings can be held regularly or incidentally as a response to an occurrence of a specific health and safety problem or after an incident or accident happens. Ideally, safety meeting focuses on just one specific topic. But what kind of topics do we have to discuss? Huwag na kayo mag-ingay kasi
Huli nila ako. Huli kayo ngayon.
Tapos, sabi ni Pamela, ano yung pinaka-import mo? Unless one thing is up. Yung mga
Pero si Ash.
ano yung step
Salita naman kayo.
Dito mo ko pinangarap ko yung pagbuhay ko na. Basta.
Okay, ngayon na.
Best in dialogue.
Tigilan mo nga yan.
Yung dalawa.
Oh, you already said for a meeting. Are you also right? Yes. So, I probably could change what's number 26. So, Jerry, have you already said about the laboratory equipment? About the laboratory? Yes. Good. Safety meeting is the right time to discuss about health or accident happening. Ideally, safety meeting focuses on just one specific task. Oh, so very good. So I think we already have this set and file. So now I think I will call it a day. So